You've come to the right place if you're looking for the best drones under 250 grams for flying quadcopters in the sky without FAR registration. But, you must fly it safely and in accordance with the flyer's guidelines. In this video we will look at some of the best drone under 250 grams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 drone under 250 grams. After the release of the compact drone DJI Mini 2, it gets enough acceptance for 249 grams of lightweight. It is the best cheap drone in the market according to its amazing feature. The DJI Mini 2 drone with a compact design comes with a 3-axis gimbal 4K camera. Aerial photography quality is impressive enough to help create beautiful profiles on social media. The level 5 wind resistance excellent drone comes with a 31-minute max flight time, which you won't find in many other expensive drones. Wind resistance also allows beginner pilots to avoid drones being destroyed in bad weather. It comes with a 4K smooth video capture system. Professional drone DJI Mini 2 with 10km video transmission capability will give you ultra clear quality footage. For any video content creator, this is the best drone under 250 grams in 2022. It will also be the first choice foldable drone for travelers due to its easy carrying capacity. DJI Mini 2, a drone with advanced quality images and videos within the budget. It has intelligent mode and quick-shot advanced features. Anyone from expert to beginner pilot can capture movie-like shots with just a few taps using the quick-shot feature. It is the best camera drone for under $500. Number 2. Contixo F22 Plus drone under 250 grams. The 8.5 ounces Contixo F22 is the best drone for under $200. It's almost like HHOLY Stone brand drones under $200. The drone is fully assembled so that adult or beginner pilots can start flying without doing anything. However, it is not a very useful drone for kids. The best drone under 250 grams considering the price of the portable design Contixo F22. The 4K GPS quadcopter drone comes with an HD FPV camera. It has a 120 f lens and a 90 degrees vertical adjustable camera that behaves like many expensive drones. The drone with the latest GPS will be able to fly behind your bike or car with the help of the Follow Me feature. It will help to diversify your selfie image or video footage, and will return like a pet bird with one click of the return home button. The Contixo F22 has the near highest 40 minutes flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, one of which can serve up to 20 minutes. Intelligent batteries' full charging time of 120 minutes will not seem so annoying. 2K Wi-Fi camera with 4K images apps LED screen makes it easy to understand battery power status. Number 3. HHOLY Stone HS110D drone under 250 grams. Are you a beginner drone user interested in having fun? Want to fulfill the hobby of owning a good brand drone in the cheap price range? Then the HHOLY Stone HS110D is the best quadcopter for you. The lighter drone, which weighs 145 grams, comes in a visually pleasing black color. It will give you a maximum flight of about 18 to 20 minutes with 2 at ease manageable modular batteries. This sweet drone, which can fly indoors, comes with protection guards, so you don't have to be afraid that it will break in your fun time. The best indoor drone under 250 grams HHOLY Stone HS110D function FPV real-time transmission, 1080p HD camera, gravity sensor, voice control, hint control, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flip RTF2 battery features like the most expensive drones on the market. HS110D, with its many functions of expensive drones, may not have the same high-level performance, but it will be easier for you to become an expert pilot. Number 4. Ryze Tech Tello Drone under 250 grams. Its kid's beginner's suitable quadcopter UAV comes with a 5MP camera with HD 720 video capture capacity. It gives HD quality photos but not too much video quality. It will play a significant role in your initial work. If you are a beginner drone pilot, you can still capture all the fun family photos and videos with Tello because of its high-quality image processor and lots of likes by sharing on social media via your mobile phone. Only 80 grams weight. DJI Tello 3.9 x 3.6 x 1.6 inches. The white color in dimensions will draw your mind. The lightweight excellent drone is the best starter drone on the market for under $100. This nice drone with limited range Wi-Fi comes with a maximum of 13 minutes of flight time. This powerful flight will be enough to capture fun pictures of your kids. Tello comes with 4x propellers, propeller guards, battery, and micro USB cable. It has 2 antennas, which can stabilize the video transmission, and well done the quality. Made by DJI, this low-cost drone is in the best price range of $100 to $150 in the market. I am proposing to make this kid's toy drone your first choice. Number 5. HHOLY Stone HS175D Drone under 250 grams. It comes in folded condition at 145 x 90/60mm dimension and unfolded 360 x 370mm high-quality ABS plastic body. It comes in a stiff and shining condition, but be aware that it breaks down under extra pressure. The 4K ultra clear camera comes with 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable capabilities. The 5 GHz FPV transmission feature allows HHOLY Stone HS175D to hold stable videos. Even videos shot in windy conditions are smooth and clear. It comes with the highest 300 meters image transmission. By doing this, you will get your travel or hobby video in the professional category. The HS175D comes with an amazing brushless motor with 2 dispute-free modular batteries and 46 minutes of flight time. A battery that charges for 150 minutes has an excellent battery life of 23 minutes, far ahead of many expensive drones on the market. The HHOLY Stone GPS lightweight drone brings advanced pilots the ability to entertain, with simple user features such as one-key takeoff, landing, speed-adjusted altitude hold, optical flow, and headless mode for the convenience of new drone pilots. Considering the price of the HS175D with features like DJI drones can be a quick option for you. This good quality drone comes with follow me features. It helps you capture top-level photos and videos without clearing and vibration through the stable hold function while following. You will love the GPS drone that can fly in the drawn way because it has many loyal features that make it easy for you to handle the flight.